In this video, we take you live to a high-capacity mining and construction site to see our heavy-duty mobile crushing station and mobile screening plant working in perfect harmony. As global infrastructure demands skyrocket in 2026, standard fixed production lines are no longer enough. Investors and quarry owners are shifting towards flexible, eco-friendly, and high-efficiency mobile solutions. Whether it's hard granite, limestone, riverstone, or recycled concrete or demolition waste, our mobile setups can crush and sort them into precise commercial aggregate sizes within minutes. Why mobile crushing and screening is the #1 trend. First, zero foundation cost. No concrete foundation needed. Just drive it to the site and start production instantly. Second, perfect automation. Fully integrated with PLC control systems, requiring minimum manual labor. Third, intelligent screening. Our multi-layer vibrating screen ensures 100% clean classification of sand, 0 to 5 in, 10 to 20 in, and 20 to 40 in stones. From single jaw or cone crushers and ball mills to complete epic mineral processing plants, we provide customized factory direct engineering proposals worldwide. Plan to start your quarry business? Stop wasting money on traditional high-cost setups. Drop your raw material and target hourly capacity, TPH, in the comments below or send us an email. Our engineering team will design a free 3D flowchart and price layout for you. Contact us now via WhatsApp or email to get a quick commercial quote.